Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve the fraction word problems using tape diagram. So let's get started. Anthony bought an 8-foot board. He cuts off 3 by 4 of the board to build a shelf, give one third of the rest of his brother for an art project. How many inches long was the piece of Anthony gave to his brother? So let's get started. 8 foot was the total board. 3/4 of the board he used to he cut it off to make a shelf. So 3/4, I'm making 4 equal part and make it 3/4 for building shelf. The total is 8 foot. If the total is 8 foot and if is 4 parts, we are dividing, so each part would be 2 foot. 3/4, he made it with, he cut it and made a shelf. Now remaining, the rest 1/3, he of his brother, he gave his brother for an art project. So this is the rest part. This part he cut into 3 parts, and 1/3 he gave it to his brother. So this is 2 foot and 1, if you make it 3 equal part, so each will be 1/3. So they are asking how many inches long was the piece Anthony gave to his brother. Look at this. There, first we have started with foot. The total board is 8 foot and they're asking how many inches of long was the piece that Anthony gave to his brother. So we know 1 foot is equal to 12 inch. Here, Anthony gave 1/3 of 2 foot to his brother. So 1/3 into 2, that means 2/3 foot. If we multiply by 12, we'll get 8 inches. So Anthony gave 8 inches of the board to his brother. Next. Riverside Elementary is holding a school-wide election to choose a school color. 5/8 of the votes were for the blue, 5/9 of the remaining votes were for green, and the remaining 48 votes are for red. How many votes are for blue? So let's get started by making a tape diagram. This is the total vote. 5/8 of the vote are blue. Make it 8 part. 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is blue. 5/9 of the remaining vote. So this many is remaining. Let's work with that. 5/9 of them are green. Make it 9 part. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. So 5/9 of the remaining vote is green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are green. And the remaining vote is 48. So how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 units is 48. Then 1 unit will be 48 by 4 is equal to 12. This is 12. This is 12. This is 12. So each unit is 12. So what is the total of this unit? 12 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12 into 9, which is 108. Now, we divided these three parts. That means we divided the 108, this total three parts will be 108 to make, and we follow the direction and find that each part is 12. But this total part is 108. If these three units is 108, one unit would be 108 by 3, that is 36. So this is 36, this is 36, this is 36. This is 36, this is 36. Each of the part is 36. So for the blue will be 36. Blue votes will be 36 into 5. That is 180. How many votes are green? Now look at this part. Look at this tape diagram. Here each small part is 12. But the green is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 12, that is 60. So 60 votes were green. So we use this tape diagram and follow the step-by-step direction to find the number of votes for blue and number of votes for green. Joe is icing 30 cupcakes. She sprays mint icing on 1/5 of the cupcakes and chocolates on half of the remaining cupcakes. The rest will get vanilla icing. How many cupcakes have vanilla icing? So this is the total cupcakes that Joe is icing. Total is 30. 30. He sprays 1/5 is mint icing. So make it 5 equal part, and 1/5 is mint. Now, if total is 30 and is 5 equal part, each part will be, so 6, 5 unit equal to 30. Let's find each unit. One unit will be 30 by 5, which is 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6. Now, so 6 are mint icing, and the chocolate on the half of the remaining icing. So remaining half of the remaining, there are 4 boxes. 2 of them are chocolate. Rest will be vanilla icing. So vanilla will be 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 cupcakes. So vanilla icing cupcakes, the number of vanilla icing cupcakes will be 6 plus 6 equal to 12 cupcakes. We read it, we follow the direction and solving it by making the tape diagram. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it is useful. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.